Okay, so we are here at Soba Reality today. As everybody knows that Soba is launching something really big in Abu Dhabi, especially the master community. So Komal is with me from Soba, and Deepak Bhai is with me also. So we have lots of question today with Komal regarding this community. Okay, as I know about this community, this is 38 million square feet community.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, and it has 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom townhouses,
Correct.
G plus 2, G plus 1,
Correct.
and we have 4, 5, 6 bedroom villas.
Standalone villas.
All has with private elevator. Okay, and we have a canal.
Correct.
We have 2 buildings
It has been launched.
exactly, and we have a indoor what do you call loop
20 kilometers.
20 kilometer. I think this is first time I heard in any community that 20-kilometer loop which is temperature controlled, where
That's
the people
amazing.
can walk, jogging, cycling, and everything they can do, right? So Komal, just go on this one if you have something really interesting for our audience.
So the first and foremost interesting thing is that this is the first gated community that has come on Yas Island, to be very particular. And like for the two masterpieces of the world, which is your Abu Dhabi airport at the parallelly diagonal, and then next door you have your Yas Marina Circuit, the whole of Yas Island, and your Disneyland upcoming as well.
Disneyland also coming. So basically, this project is just getting handed over before Disneyland.
8 months before.
8 months
Disneyland.
before Disneyland. So this is the biggest thing in Abu Dhabi is coming, that you are neighbor of Disneyland, right?
Correct.
It's the opportunity to live in this community.
Of course, like you will be living in between the one of the niche neighborhoods of whole of UAE, because as of now Abu Dhabi has only 5% of freehold land parcel, and this is among one of them, being 38 million square feet of whole craftsmanship. And yeah, Shobha is bringing #1 quality to Abu Dhabi now, so now people will know what quality real estate is.
So people want to know something interesting about Soba. Basically, what Soba do?
So technically the reason we have been able to launch something with a very competitive pricing and sizing is the reason because we are the only backward integrated real estate development company when it comes to a developer. Everything from our laborers to our craftsmen, everyone, even the architects, the sales force, the whole of the operations is on payroll. That's what makes us a backward integrated company. And yes, to the capital of UAE, we are bringing the craftsmanship. That's what the title of this master plan is all about. And people will know that what does a quality living means, what actually is a community living, because when you go to Abu Dhabi in terms of community, you will have a small wellness or a small sports arena, a park, pocket parks, mosque, and that's it. And a community center.
And also, I want to let you know in the middle that is it not easy to launch something in Abu Dhabi?
Exactly.
Deepak bhai.
It is like they have different criteria. What I've heard that
Yeah.
there should be in a community there should be a government school and many more infrastructure. Like I know Shobha since a lot of time now,
Exactly.
and the quality wise, whether it's community townhouses, I've seen them sold in few seconds
Right.
earlier, and people have got appreciation for more than 200 to 300%,
No doubt. Exactly. Yeah.
which is very less in a townhouse community.
Exactly.
And as they are bringing a a community in Abu Dhabi, what I feel that they are gonna be the flagship in that area. Like, and
Exactly.
anything coming nearby, they'll get appreciation just because of
Definitely.
Shobha.
There's many developer line up launching in Abu Dhabi, but as per the criteria of the government of Abu Dhabi, it's really difficult to even get the land in Abu Dhabi.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That is what Shobha is all about.
Correct. Over and above, we have 3 schools, out of which 2 are international schools, and 1 is your government Arabic school over here. And for the first time, we have one of the largest community mall that is going to be inside your premises, with
in the middle.
correct, with your private yacht parking. So even if some of the residents, because we have some big massive mansions coming in, so even someone needs a parking space for rental, even for a purchase, we have a criteria for that. And we have 6 kilometer crystal clear water lagoon. So there is nothing which is we have left unboxed.
So this lagoon is 6 kilometer, right?
This whole canal is 120 meters wide, but in patches we have made 6 kilometers of crystal lagoon
internal.
in between.
And also I heard this is something special about this golf course.
This is a tier 3 golf, which is the main. So in layman language, this is the championship golf course, which is 3 in number. So it's not that the whole crowd has to cater in one golf course only. We have 3 tier 3 golf courses. This is a champion 18-hole golf course.
So tier 3 we have like in golf, Trump Golf Estate, Jumeirah Golf Estate only, and this one, right? One of the 18-hole tier 3. This is something big also coming in this community, and we have like pocket park and mosque and
So we have almost 5 normal mosques and 3 Juma mosque inside the community.
Jummah mosque
So
means-
everything has been taken care.
and also this road is from Dubai to Abu Dhabi, right? Okay, and that side we have Abu Dhabi International Airport, right? Okay, Deepak bhai, anything else?
Yeah, like see, townhouses are everywhere. Yeah,
Yeah.
3 bedroom plus maid room, normal. But do you have something special in your townhouses? Like as you mentioned, 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses. What is the special?
Dubai and Abu Dhabi are little bit of more cultural differences there. What we do is in Abu Dhabi, people are more keen towards rather than being a normal formal dining and living. They prefer something called a majlis configuration. So what we have done is in each and every townhouses we have given a category which is with majlis. With exactly.
Also with majlis.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So is the majlis where, like on the ground or for all of them?
Ground floor, no?
Ground floor will have a majlis with an attached washroom, so that you can serve your guests.
Is it similar for the villas also?
Same for the villas also. Yeah.
Okay.
Because never heard about majlis in a townhouse till now.
Yeah, we saw some empty land here, like lots
So
of
60% of the whole community is left green. We are doing construction only on 40% of the land parcel.
60%.
60% is left green.
Amazing. 60% for the greenery only, and we have 40% land only construction, right?
That's true.
And I think I saw this every villa, row villas has
Everything is single row.
everything is single row.
Yes.
There is no back to back.
No back-to-back concept because if you have seen the Beverly Hills in USA,
Yeah.
they are based on a construction site which is called cul-de-sac.
Okay.
So the same thing what Shobha does with each and every community, we have bought the same thing over here, which is cul-de-sac.
Right.
What that means is that every single house is single row plus they share a common street. So a street, rather than being overcrowded, is shared by only couple of houses across each
This is
other.
really amazing thing. I heard the single row. Mostly developers has back to back villas.
Absolutely.
Okay. And you're launching 2 buildings also. What are inside?
We have like more than 37 plus amenities on the podium and the inside of the podium level.
What is the configuration of
1 and 2 beds are there as of now. So to cater the community a little bit better, we have bought up with 1 and 2 beds. 1 beds and 2 beds both are having an equivalent good view. Some of the other 60%, more than 60% of the units are having water view, and remaining has a view towards the villas and the greenery.
So that's it. And we have I think there's a big court also for basketball or tennis. Everything is there, right? Okay. And you have 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom.
2 bedroom as of now, rest in future launches.
So this is the entire community. Deepak
Marvelous,
bhai,
amazing.
Amazing. How you like this community?
I think you guys are already sold. Now it's time to sell to.
No, definitely.
See,
It's
this
something
is the thing
different.
that it's very unique.
Yeah.
The product that you bring in, like townhouses with majlis, villas with private elevators,
Single
and
row.
single row townhouses,
Yeah.
which is very rare to see, because nowadays if you see single row, but another cluster is coming behind that, so even that becomes a back to back nowadays.
Right, right.
But seeing the plan over here, it's very exciting. Like I'm just imagining
When it
Right.
will
No.
be handed over, yeah?
Yeah. Whenever the Soba brings something unique.
Absolutely.
Okay.
No doubt about it.
No doubt. And can you just give me a little bit about the price, just starting price?
It's only 1.31 million dirhams.
For the
One
bedroom.
One bedroom, one.
The entry price for this community is 1.31, goes up to 13 million also.
Up to 13 million. Okay.
So-
And 3 bedroom villa starting price
4.8.
4.8, and 4 bedroom
4 bedrooms are around 5.5, 5.8.
5.5. Okay. So I think this is the enough detail. If you're really interested, and this project is really great for the investors and especially for the end users also.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
So you can always get in touch with us for more detail. Deepak Bhai is here. I am here. Komal is here also. Whenever you want, we can come over the call, and we'll give you the good detail about all this property. Okay. So signing off, Deepak Bhai, me, and Komal. Thank you so much, Komal, for joining us
Thank you
here.
very much, Komal.
Thank you so much.